Good morning, David. All right, I did some tweaking on the throttle shaft. Got that squared away. I also did a little bit of tweaking up here on this screw. Rethreaded, put another screw in, so that's good and tight. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Alrighty. Got a little adjustment on her here. Yeah, I'm happy with that. There we go. Okay. Now, your primary concern, of course, was the throttle sticker. So, here we go. Alright, she doesn't stick anymore. Alright, your idle RPM is just about 680, 690. High fuel pressure, 2.75, and vacuum is at 23. There we go, a little closer, a little better. All right. So there you have it, my friend. There to go. Thanks.